So you have updated your Windows 10 and now your computer feels a bit slow. Apps take forever to open and your startup is scrolling and everything just feels off. You are not alone. This is a super common problem after updates. But the good news is there are some ways you can actually make that work. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to speed up your Windows 10 PC after an update without needing to be a tech expert. So let's get started. Step 1 is to disable startup programs. For that, you can right click on the taskbar and click taskbar manager. Go to startup tab and you will see a list of programs that start with Windows, and you can right click the ones you don't need like Skype, OneDrive or Spotify or any other one. You can choose and disable it. This will help your PC boot faster. Step 2 is to clear temporary files. For that, you can press Windows plus R and then type temp and hit enter. Delete all the files in the folder that open and do the same with %temp% and prefetch folders. These folders collect junk files over the time and which can lead to slow down your PC performance. And step 3 is to adjust visual effects. Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows 10 in the start menu. In the new window that opens, you can select adjust the best performance or at least uncheck some heavy animations. After that, you can click apply and OK. This makes your system feels quicker. And step 4 is to check for the driver updates. For that, you can right click on the start and choose device manager. Look for any yellow warning signs. Those are problem drivers. Right click on them and then update driver, and it will start automatically searching for it. This often helps fix post-update lags, and sometimes all your fixes kick in properly after a proper restart. You don't have to skip that. And that's how, by disabling startup apps, cleaning junk and tweaking a few settings, your Windows 10 PC should feel faster and even after updates. And there you go. By disabling startup apps, clearing junk and tweaking a few settings, your Windows 10 PC should feel faster even after updates. If your PC is back to normal, give this video a like and tap subscribe for more quick tech fixes. And if it's still slow, you can drop a comment with your issue. I might make a video just for you. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one.